There is kind of a strange noise technician. Take a look at it. Check it out. There is kind of a feedback audio. I don't know if you hear it from there or not. So fix it. Fix it. So how is your race? Does it go well or not? Are you already fighting so hard for the holiness? Who are racing non-stop? Raise your hand. Hey, be careful not to deceive yourself and the spirit inside of you. Okay, that's good. Okay, put down your hand. So the great thing is, the race, you can accomplish the race well to Yahoshuah. Fight so hard. And you really must to fight so hard to go to the heaven of heavens. Yeah, don't joke it. It's only you who get that on this earth planet. There is no one who never sinned on this earth. But it's only you who are the people who were in that place. You are so blessed. You're so lucky, and you have to stand. You have to hold on with the good thing that you already have, you are already living in. And Yahoshuah bless you all who deserve that. Okay, now we're going to glorify Yahoshuah together for the celebration and the glorification, great glorification. We're going to start with a shout to praise Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. We're going to start the glorification and the celebration for Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah with the song Makalaza. We are going to really celebrate our God, the Elohim of Israel. We're going to glorify them. And we're going to celebrate them. So play Tatil.
Yahoshuah, the
So, how is the celebration? Is it wonderful? Is it great? That is the celebration of Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. Yeah, in order to glorify Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah and our beloved Yahoshuah, we're going to play the song Fihino, Hug Me. Yeah, that is what I say. Make sure that you get to Yahoshuah, to the arms of Yahoshuah. Fight so hard for that. Hug me, Yahoshuah, so that I can get to you in the heaven of heavens, where you are. Okay, let's go. Play Tatil, Fino.
Some ispiteri, mantan some ispamar, some Mariana Nuan. Tete mamisa visa, leina nutine, aizana de famejo sisimanje. Indru fatis clara, nisara pazava, namera naija, levuli jazu cara, kanya Yahoshuah tsumela, naita note fala, michaka agachan, chitana laiza, henu fiti, wani lanao. Now, so Yahoshuah, so I let you know. If I love they will feel it now. She knows, Tanzaraku, Dimino Namisu, Tayano Mulayu, Mamelu Nahindai, another Chayana, Introfatis Nara, Misara Bazava, Namela Nahindai, Evunika Zukara, Yahoshuah, Samira, Naita Notefala, Michaka, the Chan, Chitana Naiza, Fenufiti, Manila no, Anaka no, Zotizo, Yahoshuah. Tiana, Efalava pelo finina, Fino, 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 Anaragano, Anilano, Yahoshuah, as he goes on, as he goes on. Namela Nainjai, Evunika Zukara, Yahoshuah, Samira, Naita no te fala, Michaka, the Chan, Chitana Naiza, Fenufiti, Manila no, Anaraka no, Zotizo, Yahoshuah, Zawanetia no, Efalava pelo finina, Fino, 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 Anaraka no. Alilana, Yahoshuah, as he goes on, as he goes on.
Who wish to be hugged by Yahoshuah? Okay, so always remember what I say. You have to keep and pay attention with the holiness, because you will never get there if you don't keep that holiness and fight so hard for the holiness. And that is what I have taught you. People who only love Yahoshuah will get to that case, and no one knows about that case, about that picture. That means that you have to love Yahoshuah, because you're going to go to him. Even if you didn't love him, why do you go there? That is not logical. But for people who will go there, you have to show your love. Okay, we still stand. Okay, no one sit down yet. Or are you already fed up standing? So you have to use for Yahoshuah the way you stand up. Okay, next time that we are going to use again to celebrate Yahoshuah and Father YAHVAH is my life. My life, the way I go, the fact that I go with Yahoshuah. So that is, we are going to play. Okay. Yahoshuah Fianok, that is the title. My life. That is the title of the meaning of that title is Yahoshuah is my real life. So I also correct you, children of God, children of the Most High. The song of Suriana, that is really a teaching. These are really teachings. And the song of Suriana means it's a song that you use to keep in touch with Yahoshuah, because Suriana is working with Elia. The work of Suriana is she is a singer of Father YAHVAH and singer of Yahoshuah in the heaven of heavens. And her song is used to make people back to Yahoshuah, because the song of Suriana means sermon. Sermon, it's sermon in a song. And So I have to correct you. The song of Sriana, the songs of Sriana is not like someone else's songs. Even when you listen to it, it is so different. The lyrics is so different. It is the lyrics to save people. That is the lyrics of the song of Sriana. And even there are lots of people who were called by the song of Sriana, and the song of Sriana called people to get into Yahoshuah. It's not like the song of ordinary ZA, but the song of Sriana really saves spirit of people, because she works with Elia and save people in all means. And there are people who are saved by songs, and there are people who are saved by sermons. So that cases exist. So you have to know how to listen to these lyrics. And I am so happy that there are people who are convinced by the song of Sriana. That is so wonderful. People who are used by devils, who cannot have the heart crush with the song of Sriana, but people who have not heard crush in the song of Sriana are devils, because Sriana is she celebrate Father YAHVAH directly in the heaven of heavens. For those who don't know, and among the Holy Spirit, among the Spirit of Judgment, it's only her who has access to, who get access to go to Father YAHVAH. That's why the song of Sriana is different from the others. That's why when the Great Feast of Yahoshuah occurs, there is no one who can sing in the Church of Yahoshuah, because it's only her that it's only her song that Yahoshuah listened to, and Yahoshuah doesn't want to listen to another song. But I say to you that Sriana is so different, and Sriana is a spirit of judgment. He is a spirit, a singer spirit that Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah has selected to celebrate them. And it's logical that she celebrates Father YAHVAH to call people to enter in the heaven of heavens. But for her, it's so different. The song of Sriana is equal to sermon in song, calling people and saving people, saving spirit. And people who are saved by these songs are so happy. You who say that, it's so wonderful to listen to it. Even I'm pleased, I am so happy listening to her song. Even I am so from the heaven of heavens. We are all from the heaven of heavens. But it gives me joy to listen to her song. Even I don't know it. And that's why I say to you, the song of this holy judgment is so different and so special. Just compare yours to hers, but it's so different, because for you humans, it's the bust, which for you it filled with bust. But for Yahoshuah, it looks for Yahoshuah and calling people to Yahoshuah, not to showing off herself. That's why she is different from you. She is also from the heaven of heavens, and Yahoshuah really loves her, and Father YAHVAH really loves their attitude. And it's logical that when the Great Feast of Yahoshuah takes place, it's always her song that is played, that are played. And you really know, or haven't you seen that? So that's it. The song of Sriana, so I correct you, the song of Sriana, these are the songs that Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah love the most. It's not, yeah, we're not going to charge the knowledge of how to sing that Father YAHVAH loves her. But look at how she here. You are crazy if you are going to contest against Sriana. Even Gentiles, if you were contesting or challenging Sriana, you were crazy. That cannot be contested. How can you challenge one from the heaven of heavens? Are you crazy? But that is all instruction that I give you, all humans. You have to know everything that you do, because Sriana is not human like you. She celebrates Father YAHVAH and Yahushua in heaven of heavens, where we are. So that is a correction. Yeah, listening to the song is so wonderful. Listening to the song of Serena is equal to listening to the sermon of Elia. So I correct all of you. So for the songs of all the Zerah, that is that cannot save. But the song of Serena, they save people. And there are lots of people who have been saved by these songs. It's the song of Serena which drove them out of there to enter here. And if you really listen to the song of Serena, it brings power from Yahoshuah automatically. It brings life to your spirit automatically. Even to yourself gets happiness with the songs of Serena. Not like songs of human, but her songs are really special. So I wish you to know how to listen to these words, and you're going to correct with what I said to you. Okay, we're going to sing the song My Life. Okay, play Tatil.
Yahushua is my lover. Yahushua is my life. Oh. Think is love forever, forever. Since I arrived, I feel the fatigue. Yahushua is number one man. Fast to have an intimate relationship. It's a mirage of the money now. It's out, my terror now. For now, Simana's a man and now. Yahushua is my lover. I'm in all the team, my tower, family, talent. Team, my dog, and then I is continuing. Yahushua is my lover. Yahushua is my life. Yahushua is my lover. Yahushua is my life. Oh, I'm in all the team, my time of family, talent. Team, my dog, and then I is continuing. Yahushua is my lover. Yahushua is my life.
Yahushua is my life. That was the song. Yahushua is the one that I really rely on. It's so good to be next to Yahushua. There is nothing better than being beside of Yahushua. That is so delicious. And if you quit Yahushua, immediately you get to the initial state, like you are getting weak, like a leaf of flowers getting out of its trees. So whatever happens to your life, Yahushua is so special. Okay, let's sing that song. You are so special. Yeah, that song's really please me. You are so special. Yeah, it's so delicious to be with Yahushua. And there is nothing better than that. It's so good. It's the most wonderful. Okay, let's go. Play it, Atil. Is it wonderful, right? Those who say that Yahushua is so good, they glorify him. Okay, that's it. Yahushua is so special. Yeah, that's right. There is no one like him. Okay, we're going to play this song, and after that we can sit down. But this song is Changan. Stand up. That is it. Yeah, this song really pleased me. Yes, because I am the owner of the emission, so I do whatever I want. So it's a song dedication for all the ZA. Okay, Stand up. That is so good. Yeah, I said that the song of Serena was so good. And she managed to create lots of songs. Well, she is singing at home. She can create songs, and I was like, how is that person? In this, for the song in the songs of the Feast of Priest, I think it was just 5 days that she created the song of the Feast of Priest after we were back from commerce. She doesn't create songs for a long time, but it is just in a short time. She is a source of songs. That's why I said to you, they are singer of Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. But for the songs of humans, yeah, it's songs of human. We just follow it. But the songs from us, it's so different. It's so different. The musical instrument from there is so good, and it cannot be compared. From you, the musical instrument, the best music instrumental here, add it, multiply it billion times. But it's so bad here. But it is just appreciated because for the humans who love him, and that's why she they listened to it. But they just accept it because it's for their love that they played it. That's why also in the party of Yahoshuah, it's always the songs of Serena that he wants to listen. And if you, the singers of Father YAHVAH, hear that, and you're going to say we're not going to do that anymore, it leads you to hell. Because there is something, it is necessary for it to be broadcasted in the radio and TV, in case there is something that you will get here. But you cannot challenge Rihanna. That's why I say it's crazy. You are crazy if you challenge Rihanna, because her song is to call people. So that is it. The reason is she is already a singer of Father YAHVAH and works with Elia on earth by song. And that is for her specifically. But for you, Zedea, it's your turn. It's your responsibility also to celebrate. But I just have to tell you, don't make it because you want to show off by celebrating Father YAHVAH, but make it a real glorification of Father YAHVAH. Just compare your song. For example, even if the song of Serena is rhythmic, it is a song, a dynamic song, which always make people back to Father YAHVAH. Look at the song, the previous song. You are so special. It's only her who found these kinds of expression. Who among humans can find these kinds of expression? You are so special. How can you humans use an expression, decide it, validate? It's only him that she accepted. It's someone who really got love, who can express that in song. That's why I say to you, hey, she is so special. That's why I also, but I also say to you, singers of Father YAHVAH, you have to do it well because they are all needed. Is that clear? Is my words clear? Okay, now we're going to sing the song. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. And yeah, that song is it makes me happy. Or does it frustrate you? Does it frustrate you? If it makes you happy, okay, let's praise Yahoshuah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now play Tatil. Yeah, it's so wonderful. Yeah, The song was stand up, stand up, stand up. But when you're tired, now you can sit down. Sit down, everybody. That's it. You see, there is nothing better than going to the heaven of heavens. Make sure to get there. Fight so hard so that you get there. Do all means to get there. Because there it's so good. It's the best. It's the most wonderful. There is no suffering there. There is no tears. There is no pain. There is no sadness. But jealousy, there is a bit. That is what I explained to you. That is to fight to get the love of Yahushua, not a jealousy of something else. But it's to fight for the love of Yahushua. Yeah, it's they want to be next to Yahoshuah. It makes you jealous. That's why I said to you, there it's so good, and do all means so that in order to get to the next to Yahoshuah, because it's a great place to be next to Yahoshuah, and that is I teach you well. Do all means to get to Yahoshuah. Yeah. Next Sunday, if Yahushua will, there will be baptism. There will be baptism next Sunday. It was not made, it was not done today because I was watching, observing the person during the last week. So that's why I stopped it. I was like, let me observe it in case he is going to do foolishness things. So I was like, let me observe him well first. And now I really see his judgment and how he loves Yahushua. And it's after then that Elia decided to perform his baptism. Because I say to him, you haven't changed, so I'm not going to perform your baptism. Yeah, she has changed, but it's not to the point that is needed. You get to the love of Yahushua, but if you are not in, you're going to act foolishly. So that is it. It's overseas of Madagascar. Because I am not going to visit here very often. Lots of countries are waiting for me. There are lots of countries which wait for me at the moment, but I'm not going to tell you where. But there are lots of European countries. Most of them are Europeans and Asiatic. So that is what I can tell to you. And there are also African part. As I say to you, how to attack if you don't know the thing that you're going to attack. So everything must be known by Elia. That's how I know in Comoros. This is how it works. Same in India as well. In Comoros, I knew this is how Muslims. So there were lots of Muslims there, and I advise all the Muslims come back to the truth, to the true one. And for those who are convinced, come. But for those who are not convinced, that is not a problem. Go on your way. Yeah, if I didn't get to India, I didn't know their custom, like worshiping snakes. I haven't known that. I didn't know that if I didn't go here. It's here that we see that they don't have Bible and they don't go to church. No, that is never. They got temple, but none of them go there. But it's like just a visiting. And if they looking for something, they just visit it. So it's like that how they work. They do whatever they want, but there is no assembly like glorifying beloved Father of God. They don't know that. They have no clue with that. So Elia will still go. Elia is still in the moment of visiting countries. So for those who are convinced in these ways, so they are going to remain well. But when there is when there are people who are baptism in that country, there must be the Church of Yahoshuah, which will be found in there. So we are also waiting for Comoros. I don't know when I will pass over Comoros because it is already short. It will be short time that I will go to Comoros and after in Togo. No one knows about the time, but it's when I get there that you're going to know. He's already there. So that is the thing. I don't have any shelter anymore, like Yahushua who said, I don't have any shelter where I'm going to hide. I'm going to shelter. I don't have anywhere to shelter, but I always go for the work of Yahushua and calling people, and it's so wonderful to fight against people. Yeah, that is the wonderful, but that is the reality. What can we do? I must go on the reality. Yeah, so it's so great because there is a spirit who is going to get in the heaven of heavens next Sunday. And that is a great happiness for a sinner who repents, because that work is for Yahushua. Glory be to beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua. So may Father YAHVAH and Yahushua will protect those who are overseas, because they are alone. There is no Elia here, but there will be evangelist who is going to go here. The evangelist here is a hoop, so it's here in the place where I go. Yeah. And hoop said that I don't want to get married. You must get married if you are evangelist hoop. But you must get married because young man going in another country, that is complicated. But it's good if you decided not to get married, but with the security of safety of Yahushua, the work of Yahushua, you must get married later, because that is really a law in Yahushua, so that the evangelists in Yahushua don't act foolishly. So that is already an instruction. You have to get ready, because you're going to get here. And I don't say think about wife when you get here, but it's later. And it's later that I must say to you, you have to get married, because it's not okay. And when you go here for the evangelists who will go to the place where we are, you must work. But if you don't work, you may be fired in the work, because there is no business in Yahushua for the evangelist, is even in Madagascar, especially for overseas. Yeah, we don't know where will be the place, where would be the place for the next time. But it's better if there is an evangelist in place. For example, in the place where there is work of Yahushua, it's really the local inhabitants, the local people who stay in that place. For example, in Togo, it's Togolese evangelists who go there, and Yahushua really loved that. So we're going to arrange it accordingly, and as long as there is no evangelist, it's the evangelist in Madagascar which held the place. But if there is someone who can be evangelist in place to keep the work, so they're doing the work. So the evangelist, the previous evangelist, will go in another place. So that is it. The evangelist from Madagascar, they work with Elia, and when Elia goes, he stay there to do the work. So I have to give how the work of Yahushua works, which ways for us, and the goal is to always make the work of Yahushua going on till the end. That's it. But I always have to emphasize. Don't think about don't think about the wife, but I must say to you, one day you have to get married, because it's not okay if evangelist doesn't get married. The reason is the girls will seduce you, and it's not okay if it is otherwise. And for those who's going to work as an evangelist, remove in your head money and wealth. But evangelists in Yahushua, they are facing fight, and not just by the mouth. I'm ready to work till the end. However, you were thinking about something else. But evangelists of Yahushua, they dare to fight, and they dare to face any fights, and they don't complain if they don't eat. Not complaining, we haven't got food, we haven't got money. You don't look for money or wealth, no. But you are satisfied with what you get. So that is how evangelist is. And you don't think about that, like Elia doesn't think about all of that thing. But for Elia is the work of Yahushua till the end, to make people enter in the heaven of heavens. So that is also the work of evangelist, to protect people, not to get out, and to protect people. That is evangelist. It's protecting the work of Elia so that people don't get out and devil will destroy them. So that is it. So you must all be serious in that case. So I always have to give the words before word, so that you are paying attention to it. Elia never accept to destroy the work. That is forbidden. That is not acceptable. So with that, you have to hold on till the end. Whether evangelist or the wives of evangelist, don't think about wives, and also, but what you're going to think is, how can I accomplish this work? You must always think about that. But if you really say, I'm not going to get married till the end, like Hoop said. But if you were able to do that, that is so good. But be careful. You are acting foolishly. Elia doesn't accept that. That's why I say it's better if you get married if it's not okay. But that is not a problem. But if it's your decision from your heart, I don't need that until the end. But if you betray that, that is not good. But if you keep that, that is good. So it's you who is going to, it's you two, Miaran and Hubi, who are going to go outside of Madagascar. That's why I have to instruct you well. Do well the work. Do well the work first. Don't think about wife. You have to get wife aside. Make it like they don't exist. But you do the work. Okay, Hope you have to get ready because you may go next week, and with Danny B. And people are surprised, is Danny evangelist? He wants to get into that way, so let him go. Yeah, because they are fighter. For those people who dare to fight for Yahushua, I love them. Those who dare to fight for Yahushua, I love them. But it's not people who look for interest for themselves. So I like him. I'm going to test him. I don't know if his wife is. I don't know how is his wife for that, but I don't know what will be that situation, because that is a great voluntary. And you may say, we have asked you to be evangelists, and why we aren't being hired? But the truth is, we have looked for something inside of you, and when you see that it's not something true inside of you, if it's not something direct in you, that's not okay. Because here it is really fight against devil, and it affects your life. That's we really watch people who really dare to die. Because I'm telling you here, it's so complicated. You see that you will die if this situation continues, because when they hear you saying that what you have is fake, they are in a rage. They are enraged. That's why I am observing the people who are doing the work. Do they really? Can they really do it? Do they forsake their life? And are they like, I don't care even if I die, like the prophet, the disciples, and like Elia, who doesn't care about that as well? But I just say, let the work goes well before that, because otherwise there is no one that I can bring to you. But with the eyes of people, they're like, I will get back to you. I will get back at you, and they're like doing revenge. They are frustrated. But if you were not convinced, okay, keep yours. But this must go on. We are looking for someone who will go to us. Elia looked for someone who will go to us. But let those who don't want to go there. But the anger of Father YAHVAH must go. So we're in that point for the what happens around the world, the global situation. What happens on this earth is so dangerous. It is getting complicated. How to resolve this problem? You see, this is a problem that human cannot find solution. We're going to tell something about what happens around the world. Or don't you like listening to that thing? Okay. Next week, next Sunday, bring a great meal. Because once you get in, wow, it will be a great feast and also a great meal. One sinner who repents and gets to the kingdom of God, and how much will be the happiness in that thing. So bring lots of meals. What else? And don't forget, choose also inviting people, because it will be broadcasted live in church. So you can watch by watching, sitting in a narrow space. So do you understand what I mean? Okay. So there will be a great feast, because only one sinner who repents, even that is to repent, not like one who is get baptized to go to the heaven of heavens, but he just repent and get out of his foolishness. And Father YAHVAH is so happy for that. That is one case. He repents. And how much it will be if someone is going to be baptized? Because here he said that get me perform my baptism, because I have forsaken all my gods, and he complains for that. So because if it's not you who begged to Elia, that is not okay, because it is impossible. It's not okay for Elia to produce someone who's going to go against Yahoshuah. But if the love of his love for Yahoshuah doesn't get out of him anymore, that is so good for Elia. That's why there will be baptism next Sunday, that Elia is going to get someone in the heaven of heavens. That is someone from our sister. Those people in Yahoshuah are so happy for that situation. So that's it, yeah. So there will be a great feast that we're going to do next Sunday, and we're going to make the entrance at 9 a.m. because there will be lots of things that must be prepared. What we are going to prepare, in fact, it's the celebration and the glorification that we must prepare. The fact of expressing joy together. Yeah, we're going to let him speak directly in person, I mean, when he have been baptized, and in that baptism. And we're going to ask him why did he want to be baptized. And it's so good that that person just gets to Yahoshuah, and glory be to Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. Yeah, that's it. So Yahoshuah bless you all. So hold on to the end. So that is always, I keep repeating that for you. Hold on well. There is no one who can go against that teaching. So let's take a look at the words that I have said earlier. What happens in Ukraine at the moment is Ukrainians have no solution, no way anymore. Because what happens there, if we knew the story, it ends to a great world war. But it won't be a great world war, because if it's so, I cannot go. Yeah, if it occurs, but let me still go. If I still go, I'm going to go. And it's we will be in trouble, because it's in the great world war that Elia goes. But we don't know, but it will be nuclear, which is going around the world. Because what happens is North Korea and Russia are officially supporting one another. there are then two countries which fight against Ukraine. Ukraine, which are supported by NATO and American. Yeah, they are sending armies, but they just pretend to know that. That's why also Russia take North Korea to help him. So Ukraine provoke all European. You are like they were like Ukraine is like you are useless. Yeah, this is the meaning of this word. You are weak. They want to say Ukraine want to say that you were a sissy by saying that to European. Yeah, the North Korean president is Kim Jong-un, and Ukraine was like, it's already two countries which got nuclear who are fighting against us, and why don't you rise? Yeah, Zelensky, the Ukrainian president, is so right by saying, why don't you help us? Because it's two countries, North Korea and Russia, who are attacking us now. So the logical of that thing is the NATO, the NATO countries should rise and help Ukraine automatically. That should be the normal thing, but until now they don't get involved into it, because it's obvious when they get into that thing, the great world war is triggered, because there are two countries which attack Ukraine, and that is already officially existed, and NATO don't dare to help Ukraine. But if there is a second country which helps Ukraine, that means great world war, because when if North Korea attack Ukraine, you attack NATO, and that means that you trigger the Great World War, because the article number 5 will take place. If there is someone who attack one country in NATO, everybody will be gathered to attack that one, against that one. That's why Dmitry Medvedev said, you wouldn't be prepared to fight against Russia, and you will be disappeared. Like you were not ready to fight, and one of your country will disappear. That is too dangerous. And just yesterday that I hear that the nuclear, the intercontinental said, and it is said, those who attack us, we won't joke, but because we are going to fight, we're going to strike you with a bomb. And Joe Biden, the current president, the current American president, is in trouble. Will he help Israel or Ukraine? Because Iran also is another problem. If you attack Iran, Russia has said that we fully support Iran. He has declared that officially. And even Russia has sent weapons to that country. That's why, that is the Russian president said, you who supply weapons to Ukraine, get ready, because I'm going to supply the country who fight against you. And he supplies weapon to Iranian. That's why I say that Iran has weapon, and Iran has built a nuclear weapon. For those who don't know that he already got, they just pretend not to have, but they already have. That is the truth. We don't just know its amount, but it is more than one. That is for sure. It's more than one. So that is the reality. And he have also supplied with the technology. He has supplied North Korea with the technology. That's why North Korea has cutting edge technology. It's Russia who gave that. That's why I say to you, you are fighting against Russia. The words of Elia cannot be gone against. The words of Elia is equal to the words of Father YAHVAH directly. There is no power, no authority which can go against that. But the reason it is not explode, it doesn't explode, it's because Elia is still visiting all the countries and calling, come, come, come. Even just one in one country, that is already okay. Elia doesn't need lots of people, but only one. So if I get 10, that is better, but one is enough. That is already automatic. So glory be to Father YAHVAH. But that won't be one, but it will extend it. It will be extended. So it's up to us to make efforts, because the words has gone and it has shown. It's only Elia who said no one will defeat Russia. It's only people who said, the Great World War will occur. But it's only Elia who said no one can defeat Russia. But if we are saying the situation, no one doesn't want to move. It's Russia who supports Iran. If you help Ukraine, it's already 2 nuclear countries who are entering a stage, and the situation on this earth is so complicated. Even the world presidents are confused. In Malagasy, president are confused, and he's like, what I can do? He is just watching a football match, a soccer match. If we're just taking an example, which makes me sad, hearing the news, there is no electricity, there is no water. Even the Great World War hasn't occurred, and there is already no electricity and water in Madagascar. So how you will end up then? How will Madagascar end up? Because the light has come to you, but you didn't want to listen to the light, and you chose the darkness. Now there is the darkness. Your electricity is out. You have been given the food, but you didn't want, and now there is no water. And you may say, you can't see everything. Yeah, when thing is compared, it make too muches. You have been given something, but you didn't want to eat. You have been given something, but you didn't want to get. You didn't want to have it. And you may say, you were making fun of us. But I don't think about that. I have told that so many times for you. Elia doesn't do that thing. But I have given you consciousness. Like, I have given you the light, but you chose darkness. And now you are in complete dark. I am not telling the state or the Jeremiah, but that is the truth. So you just have to. I just have to take a short conclusion. Shouldn't you think, Malagasy, because you have been given the light. Light was given to you, but you didn't want to get the light. And the water, which can fill up your belly, was given to you, but you didn't want. Now there is no water. And it's not me who caught it. It's not me who caused that to happen. Even I'm from India. But every day there is a power outage, and we always must to buy gas, and there are lots of money which are spent for the gasoline, for the gas. But Madagascar wanted and chose darkness, and Yahoshuah has given them darkness. Yeah, the water that you should drink, and also the words was given to you, but you didn't want to have it. And don't say you were worse in our pain. No. But I am telling you, I give you consciousness. If you still get that consciousness, even I give my opinion. This is not okay. Why don't you look for a solution to resolve that? Because this is not good. Because it ends up by murdering people. like not giving them water and electricity. Yeah, if people don't wash themselves and they're not clean and they end up by dying. But I have to advise also look for a solution, because what happens around the world is a problem. Yeah, what happens around the world is already at the door. How you will end? But I said to you before, the thing explode. But if Elia stops, it will be a great trouble. Yeah, but the war won't stop. It will worsen. It will worsen. It will worsen. It will be worsen. Elia is taking advantage, catching and getting, doing lots of things. Yeah. So Zeda, will you fight so hard? Because we must work so hard. It's only 2 years, maximum 3 years that we only can work. But after that, things will be so hard. It will be so hard, and it's after then that Elia is going to run for your baptism. I'm going to catch your baptism. But now I am still visiting countries. But after, everybody will call Elia, come here, come and save us. Where are you, Elia? But now you are still arrogant. You are showing your pride, and I am still laughing at you. This teaching, which is put on the internet, there is a reason why they are put on the internet. There is a reason why the teaching is put on the internet, so that you can see. It's like a basket. It's like a basket where the food of the heavens are in. It contains the food of the heavens. The Almighty, the great God, YAHVAH.
And I am very happy with my true God, YAHVAH. He is my force, my power, is my strength. And I invite you to be with my true God, Yahoshuah and YAHVAH. That's good.
And Malagasy people are desperate. Hey, don't do that, because we know nothing about what you say. So the meaning of that words is, my beloved Father YAHVAH is my strength, my force. He is so good. He is so wonderful. I'm very happy with my true God. Wow. And those who have Father YAHVAH, Okay, that's it. Sit down, everybody. Okay, sit down now. You see, I am learning English, and at the end it will be perfect. And there was a sign of respect, please. It says, "Have a seat, take please." Yeah, you all have to learn English, yeah, because I know how to teach. We know good morning, right? Okay, let's teach good morning those who are in the countryside. Okay, let's repeat again. Good morning.
How are you?
And the one who used to joke is like, you are. Yeah, that's great. Yahoshuah bless you all. Children, I said to you that I have to speak English. And we study in lycée, and we escaped English class until grade 12. We didn't get into that class because we were in a technical college. That was long ago. It was the story of the ambassador of Yahoshuah working as a human, and after he goes to different school, yeah, and learning mechanics, because there must be English class into it. But I didn't get into that. It's in the polytechnical school that there was no English, and I was relaxed. And I was hired in Airmat, and there was a training for 3 years to repair airplane engine, and it's only English which is used there. But your ambassador, he didn't like English. Even I get to a labo, all Airmat staffs knows that. Because when you get there, you must know English. But I always escaped from English. But it's now that I ask, where is the English? But I teach you all who will go to overseas. Learn English. Yeah, French is not used. There is not. The French language is useless. Even people don't know French, except African country. It's in African country who know French, and even African country, lots of people don't know French, but most of them are English speaking language. But if you go to Asiatic country, it's always English. So if you plan to go outside of Madagascar, I have to advise you learn English, because you cannot get away. Even at the airport, you're gonna be lost if you don't know the language. So it gets you in trouble. So here I must learn English. Yeah, I must, because. So I didn't say that I am obliged, but I have to try. What surprises me is I don't know, but actually when I speak to people, it goes automatically. And I thank Yahoshuah very much, because it's kind of I'm quite good. However, I was really bad at English. So I just give you samples. when I speak English, but yeah, when I am speaking in a long time, it goes automatically. But we thank Yahoshuah for that. What I only need, Tali, is asking what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of this, because sometimes the vocabulary, I never learned it, so sometimes I cannot get any issue, any way into it. So I always ask Tali often, very often. I ask Tali and Sriana. So that is the news from here. I'm telling that to you, but it's wonderful. It's wonderful that you, it's something that you don't know, but you just know it. It is just made so that you know it. As I tell you, the person that I'm going to baptize, there is nothing, there is no language but except in Hindi and English, and you also have to try to speak. And their English as well is difficult, because when they say wife, if they want to say wife, they pronounce it as wife. Cloth, yeah, for the cloth, they say, when they say clothes, they just say cloth. So how can you understand that? When I hear that cloth, it's the short, it's the short that I think of. You see that the language is so different. So when if they want to say I am working now, and they say I am working now, and you were confused, what do they say? But you must adapt, listening to their word, their language, and you were all ears. You are all ears in them, and that's how it works. Living with these people are so complicated. So that's what happens here. And you can see with that the work is not easy. But Elia is trying so hard and never be discouraged. And he's never discouraged, because his goal is to always call people. Yes, because this one, when he always discussing with me, I am straightforward. If you don't get along with this God, you're going to be thrown to hell. So accept to be saved. So I'm teaching you how I do it. Hey, it's like, hey you. If you want, the meaning of that is, if you want to be saved, so go to Yahushua. So that is how the word is used, and they're surprised.
So if you are always with respect God, you go to the tent.
So that's how I do it immediately, word by word, and that words by word is perfectly built. It's perfectly built, and people are having wider eyes when they hear YAHVAH, and they ask, "Who is your God?"
The God who has created this world, this earth. These things, all things that you see.
Yeah, everything that you see with your eyes.
One God created this.
It's only one God who has created that.
YAHVAH. No God can go against this to God.
There is no God who can go against that God. True God, true God.
So if you want to
So
be
if you
saved,
want to be
so go to Yahoshuah, go to his father, YAHVAH.
if you want to be saved, go to Father YAHVAH. Yahushua bless you all, children. You see, these are the word by word of Elia to save spirit in the country where we go. And even while you were just thinking, you are hit severely by my words. Your God is fake. And they are conscious. They are aware. And later they are still thinking about it. But that is it. Once you meet Elia, that is what happens. But those who meet me, their mind will be hit. And after they think, they are aware, they come back. As Rihanna said to me, you should not do that to people. But I was like, I don't know the language, so yeah, that's I use the you informal because in French because that's how I am used, and it was the words will be accomplished that the words. The words will be words by words will be used to convince people, but those who believe in that, those who know how to hear that, they believe. But what I mean to you also is we have to be strong doing the work of Yahoshuah. Don't make the work of Yahoshuah as game. Our goal is all human spirits are saved. Now we are still going little by little because we can say that Elia is still doing inspection in the place that he's going to perform baptism, because a mass baptism will be performed sooner. Yeah, that situation is automatic, will be automatic, but now it is he is still going and observing what happens. What is the reality here? And the teaching is broadcasted. When the teaching goes on, my beloved Father YAHVAH enters in stage to gather all the Zeta around the world. So that is it. People will look for Father YAHVAH, my beloved Father YAHVAH, and they must run to come to Elia. And at that time, during that time, you won't find Elia anymore, because Elia will be gone, and he's going to go on the way Father YAHVAH leads him to go. I just teach that to you because when that time occurs, there is already a horrible war which is at the age for this world, because devils are enraged seeing that situation. They cannot stand it. However, those people who were in their hands will be drawn out of their hand, because people are for Father YAHVAH, like you when you were saved. So how is your decision? Will you support to save people, or will you be selfish? So, can you make it or not? So will you try and do all means to make the work of Yahushua going on? So that is what happens, children. It's a great fight, a horrible fight. Sooner, but Elia is still visiting the country, but it is already complicated, but I must do it. That must be done. You see, if there is a soldier who will go and fight, he must know well the one that he is going to attack. That is a law in the Holy Scripture. If he knows, yeah, it's like Elia now. All the enemies are shown to Elia, and Elia is asked, like, how are you now? But I give answer to beloved Father YAHVAH in Yahushua. Elia is not afraid to death, and even I am really ready, and I'm going to show that it's only Father YAHVAH in Yahushua who are the God. Yeah, Father YAHVAH in Yahushua now have heard my answer, and because I have seen it, I was like, this is how the fight occurs, and sooner it will affect my life, and I am really ready for that. That's it. But Elia, I am telling that to you, children. It will be in a difficult way that he's gonna go along. Now it's not still complicated, but it is already seen that it is getting complicated. But for the love of Father YAHVAH in Yahushua, it must be done till the end. That's why I said to you, when people begin to run to call Yahushua in overseas, like come here and baptize us, once you hear that thing, you have to get ready, because you will never see Elia, because Elia is going to go to where he is led to. Now you can still see him, and he can still communicate with you and so on, but at that time keeping in touch with you will be difficult. And you may say, do you get, is that work like that? Does it work like that when you get someone in overseas and you forget us? No, it's not like that. Get that out of your mind. The way of Elia is getting complicated, and even to keep in touch with him, it will be difficult. Yeah, a meeting will be possible, but in an unknown situation. But yeah, we will meet. Yeah, we may meet, but in a sudden time, in a sudden moment, and in a unknown place. But I say that it's so difficult. And when there is no more work for Elia baptizing people around the world, there is no one among you who can meet Elia anymore. And it's at that time that it is impossible, absolutely impossible. There is no humans who can go with Elia anymore. It's not okay anymore. It won't be okay anymore, because you can't do that anymore, because it's already another dimension that I am emphasizing that it's in another dimension that Elia lives in, and there is no way to keep in touch with Elia anymore. But it's only for Elia. So. But it's only in a news that you may hear, if there is still news that you can hear, and it's in the news that we are going to meet. There is something like that in this place. It's like that. So it's only that way that you're going to remember Elia. So always remember. I am now giving words and messages so that you remember, Elia has said this thing, Elia has said this message, because it's in the way that you cannot go anymore. Elia is already in a place that you cannot go anymore, but it's only for Elia who go along in that way. And it's not the dimension of you humans anymore at the time. That's why I say to you, as long as you have time to be with Elia, as long as you have time to meet Elia, as long as you have time to help Elia, so accomplish your responsibility, because you cannot get out of it anymore sooner, in the near future. That's why I say, do it with love. Everything that you can do, the way you show your love for Yahoshuah, because there is no one but Elia that you can follow. Because even the church in Budapest and the studio in Budapest won't exist anymore. Everything that you can see with your eyes will be destroyed, will be all destroyed. Remember that. In the time, these things will occur in the time when you don't see Elia anymore. Even you don't have anywhere to gather anymore, because on this earth planet will be something really complicated. That's why I said to you, everything should explode at the moment of speaking, but it waits for Elia. It waits for Elia, who will accomplish this mission that he is sent to, and he is still observing where he is going, so that in order to destroy them. And when they are destroyed, people who will go to the heaven of heavens will run for the last time, like in 2026 for the last baptism in Madagascar. And it's the same thing in the it's the same picture for the overseas at that time. And everybody will come and run, and when there is no one who is going to let enter anymore, the fight and the war will occur. Yeah, the war for this world is different, but the war of Elia behind is different, and that must occur. But it's because of what Elia does. These things automatically goes. It's Elia who shapes everything, but it's for the authority and the power. It depends on Elia. Everything depends on Elia. Everything is in the hands of Elia. The fate of the earth is the fate of the earth depends on Elia. That's what I want to say to you. What the character of this earth depends on Elia. And people who hate Elia, you were fool, you were telling rubbish. Yeah, we're going to see what happened. It's the same thing. What happens before? You didn't believe as well when I say that no one can defeat Russia, and you were like, no one is more powerful than American. If they are powerful, they have stricken Russia. But now they are blunt. They know nothing. They don't know what to do anymore. And now Russia has included North Korea. And now, these things shows nuclear war. It's kind of, they say that we are already ready. Ukraine, they got no power anymore. It's American and NATO who were, it's only American and who are helping them. And if someone will get into that, in addition into that, nuclear war will occur. But why it is not declared? And if it is declared, I am not stopping it. I don't know the plan of Yahoshuah. Maybe he thinks that maybe the work of Yahoshuah will be complicated, and that's why it is not declared. But it depends on Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. But I am always ready whether it explodes or not. But I just ask, let my plan that I use to go anywhere won't be destroyed. But I am still gathering people. But if it explodes, only protect my airplane. And you may say, how selfish you were, because I am still doing my mission. Even my mission, I haven't finished my mission. So that is a bargain that I do in Yahushua. If you explode everything, okay, you explode them, but the airplane that I use, let it works. Yeah, let it always works. Yeah, but that is complicated because even the airport will be locked, will be closed. But I will do my work. I will accomplish my work. Yeah, but I am bargaining so that I can to finish my work, because I will never accept until people are saved, and I'm going to bring people to the heaven of heavens. These people that I spend all the time here, and because there must be something in exchange with that. Elia will never accept until there is a result. That's why Elia fights so hard. The people must get to the heaven of heavens. That is the only thing that I know until I stop. And whether it will be hard or not, I am ready. But people who used to be with me are so sad. Won't we follow you? But it won't be impossible. It's not okay anymore, because it's not about fight between humans. Because it's the beast, my enemies, and it's a real beast. And all the hidden beasts will come up, and they're going to show off these mindless ones, and they show off that as they are like if they are strong. But I'm going to show them who is Elia. I'm going to make them suffer, and this will be a non-stop war. And you may say, you're kind of dreaming, but haven't you dreamt as well? Hearing me, Russia is the beast, when I said that in 2003. And you have also said, you were dreaming when I say, car will fly. But that's what you said. This man is dreaming. However, that exists now. I said at that time that it will be electronic chips. Chips that will be used by humans, not ID card anymore. But when you enter in the airport, there is a passport that you are going to use, and in the passport there is an electronic thing. There is a code in it, and when you are taking a picture, there is nothing you can do. Everything is now electronic. There is no paper or cardboard anymore, but everything is electronic chips. That is it now. When you withdraw money, you have to use your bank card. These electronic chips. Now, it is all accomplished. Everything which are said in 2003 are now accomplished now. The thing that you didn't believe, but at the moment it exists. I was like, American will be injured. Now he is injured. He doesn't know what to do. If he is strong, he should strike Russia and North Korea. But he is still thinking what he is going to do. But he is still hesitating. But that is the words of Elia. The words of Father YAHVAH, which is said by the mouth of Elia, the last prophet on your planet Earth, that you don't believe, that people don't believe. But you, children of the beloved Father YAHVAH, the Sedah, children of the Most High, you know that everything that Elia has said are accomplished. You never sin, you never do something bad, you were perfect. It's only you now who know the truth. But no one knows the truth. But there are people who will know. It's people that Father YAHVAH is going to call in. And you can see that all the words are accomplished. There is no words which won't be accomplished, but the words are all accomplished that Elia's mouth has said, and which are from my beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. That is the ambassador of Yahoshuah, ambassador of beloved Father YAHVAH. That is Elia. So that is it. As it's like how all the words that I said in 2000 years are accomplished. That the word, that the words of Elia that he said to you just earlier will be accomplished. It's the turn of Elia to destroy them, to their complete destruction. That's why it's Elia who's going to draw Gog out of the place where he is, and it will be a great war. There will be a great war, and you humans cannot go on this way anymore. It's only for Elia, because Elia, he is a forerunner of Yahoshuah. When Yahushua will come, Elia must enter in stage. When Yahushua would come, when he is about to be born here, there was Elia and John the Baptism. It's not really the Elia, but the spirit of Elia, who went at the time. That's why. He said he's not the Elia, but the forerunner. But as he's a forerunner, he's Elia. Okay, so make sure that the sermon doesn't cut anymore, because it's not good if it is cut. Okay, wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. Now we are going to continue what we have left off. Yeah, our topic is Elia. Elia going to all around the world. Because I have taught you, and I am still repeating it, the work of Elia is to turn the hearts of the father back to the children. So if the children of Israel did bad thing at that time, it's so bad if Yahoshuah will come out from them, because the seed where Yahoshuah should come out, there must be holy and good. And that's why Elia had to get down. It's Elia who is speaking at the moment, who got down here at that time, to destroy the prophet of Baal, so that Father YAHVAH can still make his work going forward, and to make Yahoshuah coming out from Israeli descendants, because these Israeli people became to worship Baal, and that's why Elia had to get down. Elia, who is speaking at the moment, he had to get down to accomplish the words of Father YAHVAH, to turn the hearts of Father YAHVAH into the children, and the children's to the Father, and that is the work that I did. Apart from the fact that I destroyed the prophet of Baal, but apart from that, the heart of Father YAHVAH gets back, and Elia at the king is the Elia at the moment of speaking, the one who is speaking to you. And after that, when Yahoshuah would come, there must be a forerunner before he come. And John the Baptism entering stage. John the Baptism is not Elia like Elia that you see now. Otherwise, he has made the fire get down. But Yahoshuah has used him, and it's the spirit of Elia and the power of Elia which are in him. That means that he is just a messenger. but it's not the body of Elia itself. That's it. And Elia passed over, and people killed John Baptism. Yeah, he's also a forerunner of Yahoshuah. And the last is the one that you see now. Elia, you see now Elia. It's the real Elia that you see now. To finish the last work, I'm going to destroy all the Baals and his team. Is that clear? So who among you will destroy than helping Elia? Okay. Okay, everybody stand up and let's now sing the song Destroying Baal. Okay, everybody stand up. Play it, Tatil.
Not
that's
the
it.
Viennese.
Yeah, was it wonderful? Okay, we're going to play it again. So that is a celebration song. That is celebration and glorification of Father YAHVAH. That Elia is arrived. And when Elia arrived, he get fire down. and that doesn't change. And at the second time, he come here is the John the Baptism, and it's the spirit of Elia which was in him, so that he can work like Elia. Because Elia, as I said to you, what is about Elia? Elia doesn't live in a village, but Elia often lived in a mountain, in a cave. But there is a house that he lives in, but he get out very often. So that is what happened long ago, and he get fired down to his enemy. When John the Baptism was arrived, John the Baptism didn't do that, but John the Baptism he got similar attitude, and he used to eat honey, and the fact it's common, and it's the same as Elia. He dwells in a mountain. So when Yahushua would come, he's a forerunner. He is not Elia. That's why he said that I am not Elia, but I am a forerunner. Okay, let's read that words in John chapter 1. Where is that word? Okay, let's look for that passage. John 1. From the verse. Yeah. John chapter 1 verse 21. John chapter 1 verse from the verse 19. 19, 21, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Sorry. John chapter 1 verse 19 to 22. Now this was John's testimony when the Jewish leaders in Jerusalem sent priests and Levites to ask him who he was. He did not fail to confess, but confessed freely, I am not Yahoshuah. They asked him, then who are you? Are you Elia? John said, I am not Eli as well. I am not Eli neither. Are you the prophet? He answered, no. So this is John the Baptism. He said, I am not the prophet. I am neither Elia. And finally they said, who are you? Give us answer to take back to those who sent us. What do you say about yourself? And however, Elia, he said, he answered the truth. And John the Baptism answered. John replied in the words of Isaiah, the prophet, I am the voice of one calling in the wilderness. Make straight the way for YAHVAH. So here, according to John the Baptism, it's really he who said, and he said the truth, and he didn't deny it. It's in the verse 20 that he said, the truth, I am not Elia, but I am a messenger, the forerunner. And it's the fact that he is a forerunner that he is like Elia. But it's so sad that they have killed him, and even they have decapitated him. But the work of Elia is to destroy Baal. That's why when Elia is arrived, he watches where are the enemies, where are his enemies. Because if I didn't go to Comoros, I didn't know how Muslims works. And if I didn't go to India, I didn't know how Hinduism works. And they really know, this is Elia, he goes. They know that they really know that. These invisible ones, those who control humans, know that even they cannot move. When no one can move, no one don't move. So when Elia have visited all countries, the teaching will be broadcasted on the internet, and gathering will take place, and that will happen quickly. And it will be just in a few months. And if it doesn't overtaken this won't overtake these 5 fingers. This situation will happen quickly. That's why I say to all Zedah, you have to be quick. You have to be quick for the love of Yahushua. Don't slow down. Once I said you have that, and Yahushua gives you that power. So be careful. If be careful, if Yahushua gives you and you do something else, in case Yahushua is going to make everything in your hand disappear. But time is already short. But when observing all of these things is done by Elia, there will be a last gathering of people. As the angel said, when it's not what the angel said, when it's the end day, there will be a trumpet which will be played. But it's to gather people who will be baptized. People who will go to Yahushua will come to Elia, and when these people are gathered, this last gathering, for Madagascar, it's in 2026. That is the last, and there will no more baptism. But it's only in the other seas. It's only in the other seas that there will be baptism according to the call of people outside. And when these things are finished, it's from then the real work of Elia. It's after then that Elia is going to really work. And that is what I say to you. You cannot do anything with me anymore. You cannot support, you cannot help me anymore. You cannot do anything anymore for me. But I don't know what happens at that time. But it is unknown. But I just explain the steps for you. That's why I say to you, it won't be so long that you are going to not see Elia anymore. You're going to fight alone. It's already a bad sign. The fact that there is no electricity and no water in Madagascar. These things gets worse for those who are not conscious with that. I don't know, but if you remember the saying, it's you, Malagasy, who search for bad things for you. So now you are now in that situation. You didn't care about Yahushua, and that's how it ends. You look for darkness, and now you are in the dark. You have given water, which is the words of Yahushua, and now you didn't care, and there was no water in you now. No, Elia is now doing anything against you, but I said to you that you look for the light was arrived in you, but you chose darkness, and now there was no electricity in you anymore. And there was water given to you, the words of Yahushua, but you didn't want to take it now. And now it is cut. And at the end, you're going to look for it underground so that you can drink. That is so bad. But those who are conscious, be conscious. You know how to listen to the words of Elia. Be conscious. I am not making things in a coincidence, but you have to be conscious. The problem on this earth is already complicated because it's really people who doesn't want to give money. Except it's only people who only got money on this earth. But devils, they won't get any. They won't get any authority anymore. They're just left there without any thing to do when they see Elia. You cannot stop Elia. You cannot stop Elia. It's always people who stop Elia, who try to stop Elia, who fall down and their head is planted on the ground. So you have to You have to be careful. Never insult Elia. You see humans, you see him as human, but he is not a human, and he can destroy you. And even if I'm not going to destroy you, it's the army of Elia who's going to destroy you, the ones that you cannot see. That's why I say to you, don't act foolishly, because you don't know who is in front of you. He is speaking like humans, and you think that he is a human, but he is not a human. But he is one from the heaven of heavens, and he is a leader of the army of the heaven of heavens. But I have given you a hint. Once people who follow him never sin, and they are washed away from their sin. It is a person who is not from the earth, but from the heaven of heavens. But people who follow these church leaders, they are sinners, because they are from earth like you. But those who follow Elia, they never sin. Devils cannot do anything as well, but people never sin. As people never sin, it's not someone from the earth who did that, but it's from the heaven of heavens, Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. That is Elia. He is now arrived. And it's your turn. It's your turn, Zedaiah, to work hard, to support. If you still want to support, or shall Elia say, let them not support me anymore? Okay, say then to Yahoshuah, I'm going to support Elia. So okay, keep your word then. Your word must be yes and yes. If your word is yes, it must be yes. And if you have said yes, it must be yes for Yahoshuah till the end. Is that clear or not? So you have to do well your support. Never be discouraged. I say that to you. That's why I say, as long as you still work for Yahoshuah, do it well, because supporting Elia, they are so lucky. They support Elia with anything that he needs. As long as there is Elia who speaks to you and who that you can see, do good things for him so that he can accomplish the work of Yahoshuah that he sent to. Elia has been given to you, so do your work. You can do it. That's why Yahoshuah has called you. And continue it till the end. Do the best so that Yahoshuah can see it. So that Yahoshuah is so happy seeing the good things that you do, making the work of Yahoshuah going forward like Elia is doing now. And Yahoshuah will be so happy. Even you will be happy seeing that thing. It's thanks to you and thanks to your love for Yahoshuah, Elia has done his work. Or do you want Elia going back and going to look for money first? Yeah, because I know how to make money. I really know how to look for money. So what do you prefer? So will you support the work? It's you who support the work, right? Okay then. So do the work well, because Elia is not in that situation anymore. Elia is now on another way. He has said to you that I have done my first work. Now it's you who is my first work. You, all the Zedaiah. You were my first work. My second work now is going to the other countries and calling people on overseas. That's why in Madagascar it ends in 2026, because there is no way for Madagascar anymore to come to Yahushua after the 2026. It's all over. It's completely over. It's in the other nations that it open, and after it ends as well for the other nations. So the work of Elia ends, and he is going to enter in the third work. And in this third work, it will be hard for you. It will be hard. It will be so hard. It will be so hard for you to go with me, because even if you were going to insist, it will be hard, because as I say to you, it is gonna be another dimension that Elia is going to live in. It's not a human dimension anymore, but it's in another dimension that he's going to live in. But the work still continues till all the plans of Yahushua are accomplished, because it belongs to him. Because of the words of Father YAHVAH, Elia must finish the work. So I am doing it for the glory of Father YAHVAH and Yahushua, and it will be a great war. There will be another war on earth, but there will be another war behind, and it will be a disaster for people who are still in that generation, because that generation, it will be a very destruction of the enemies of Yahushua, But as long as there is time, come to Yahushua. Those who are conscious, come to Yahushua, because it's like how the electronic chips are accomplished, as you see it, and as Russia cannot be defeated, it is accomplished, and as Eastern joined Russia, we can see that, and BRICS are showing the picture. Brazil, South Africa, and so on. It's the Eastern and Arab country which join in, which Elia has taught you, and it's the words of Elia that he taught, which is now accomplished. And it's like how they are accomplished, that my words that I have just said will be accomplished. But as long as there is time, it's not when you don't know, you don't have anything to do anymore. You cannot do anything anymore that you're going to say, I'm going to do now. But you're going to wait for you're going to wait for you to be thrown to hell. So that's why I say to you, keep the holiness, keep the fact that you never sin, because that is a glory of Father YAHVAH and Yahushua in you, because you have shown the power of Father YAHVAH and Yahushua. You have to prove with what you have the love for your love for Yahushua, the way you help, the way you support Elia that he sent to accomplish this huge work which waits for him to save these overseas, so that the words will be accomplished, saying, who are these numerous people with mixed language? So they must be let entered, and we don't know how many they will be, but they are just let to enter. It's the turn of Father YAHVAH and Yahushua to know that. But for them, it must be in the teaching that the people will be drawn, because that's what Father YAHVAH and Yahushua likes, and they're going to be held on for the teaching, like you all. And it's in the demonstration of the power in that teaching that people, that Father YAHVAH and Yahushua will save them. And after that, there will be destruction. So those who don't care Father YAHVAH and Yahushua, Elia will lead the armies to the destruction. So now I have said to you all the way that you must pass over. So now you have to fasten your belt. And are you ready or not? Okay. So now, and keep the work. Keep the words. Keep the words. Keep the words that you have said. Show to Yahushua that you are ready. Okay, Yahushua bless you all. So that is our meeting for today. Sick people said, I am asking for healing prayer. There is just one word that Elia is going to say according to order of Yahushua. The power and the authority from the heaven of heavens. Heal all the sick people that with the words that Elia sent to you. So that words of Elia has power in you for the glory of Father YAHVAH and Yahushua to heal you. Yahushua bless you all. Okay, let's pray together and let's stand up to finish this event. Glory be to you, beloved Father YAHVAH. Glory be to you forever. And glory be to you as well, my beloved Yahushua. You were put higher thanks to the love of Yahushua in person. And he called you son. I have given birth to you today. Glory be to you forever. Glory, beloved Father YAHVAH. I don't cease to teach your lambs Yahushua. And I don't stop also to embolden them all so that they hold on well while worshiping you, and they're going to keep till the end the goodness and the grace from you, which is the salvation, your salvation for them. Now they don't know how to do everything anymore. They never sin anymore. They, children of the Most High. So keep those who raise for that. Help them, give them strength. Don't make them desperate or discouraged, but it's you who know His love for you. So help them all. Those who have tried so hard and do all means to show their love for you. Beloved Father YAHVAH, show your power by protecting them all and make those who look for you special, different. The protection, you'll give protection to those who really worship you, so that the words that you have said before will be accomplished by saying, I'm going to make those who worship me special. So these are the accomplishment of the word, beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua. To accomplish the works for the last time, when this second step that you have made them occurs, and it must be done in a very short time, so that the truth will be accomplished. So help Elia to accomplish that, beloved Father YAHVAH, and help your younger brother Yahushua and all your lambs who are fighting so hard to get to you, so that you pour down to them, beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua, blessing for them and for those who fight so hard to support this holy work, which is a true work to make the other nations coming back to you, and especially to make your teaching known by people, and also Elia, so that Elia knows how about them, and to give them the wisdom to come back to beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua. Bless everyone who have fight so hard and who has raised to show their love for you, because Elia hasn't closed that way, but Elia always opened that, is still open that way. Keep going on, because it will be closed in the time that you'll close it. It won't be needed at that time anymore. So I always ask you, help them, so that your love will be put in their heart, because it's still their moment, so that they can raise. It's still their time so that they can finish the race. It's still the time for the Lamb who are called in this generation, that they can still also show their love for you, because that is the only key to enter in the heaven of heavens, showing the love. It's not love by mouth, but love through work. Bless them, Yahoshuah. And you have shown, obviously, Elia is speaking, so that people know the work that you have made me to do it, the work to save the other nation. That is the reason I go. You're going to help with everything needed to make your work going quickly, because the other nation must be saved. Those who were already planned by you, those who were chosen by you, those who have chosen by you. It's in this time that you're going to draw them out, so that they're going to be saved in Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. And it's Elia that you sent to finish the work. Elia has gone, and he's ready, Yahoshuah. That's why I say, help him to finish this work quickly. And Father YAHVAH, bless all of your children to accomplish this work quickly. So, it's to show the love. There is no tiredness by showing the love. So, like you as well, that people will do, they are going to not stop. Beloved Father YAHVAH, justify word, because you are helping Elia till the end, and you're helping your household till the end, and you are helping all of your children till the end. Those who fight so hard to show their love for Yahoshuah, for you, help them all, beloved Father YAHVAH. Show now the power of the word, because it's now the words which goes on, and which is their living, and it's the power of the love from the heaven of heavens that Elia he has mentioned to you, beloved Father YAHVAH. But the words of Elia is like a fire, and also destroying the enemies, and also the words of Elia is burning fire, like you, beloved Father YAHVAH, because I am bringing your words. Elia is the name that you gave to show the power of the heaven of heavens, and Elia brings that to show your power, so that these worlds can see it till from the above one, in the sky above the head of humans, and also in this earth underground, and also under the ocean. So it's the responsibility of Elia to show the power of the heaven of heavens and the power of Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah. Glory be to you, beloved Father YAHVAH. In your name, Yahoshuah, that I make all the prayers and all that words. Hallelujah. Amen. So Yahoshuah bless you all, so that you also go on the words which is given to you. Hold on till the end. Yahoshuah bless you all. Wave your hand, and wave your hand to Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah as well. And everybody, glorify beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah together. Okay, that's it. So Yahoshuah bless you all. I have to emphasize again, repeat again, there will be a baptism next Sunday. It will be a great feast in this holy kingdom, and we're going to have a huge meal on this day. So Yahushua bless you all. So now have lunch and do the offering. So the organization is given to presbyters. So Yahushua bless you all. So goodbye, everybody.